Well, it's all part of International Peace Day, and we're here to kind of get the local community and the local children kind of involved in cross-community projects, and just to kind of give them a taster of the old kind of old streets of Belfast.
There's all sorts of things happening here, games, old-fashioned games. You look at Belfast through the ages with the characters that they've got here.
But it's basically bringing people together and just to get to know one another and just have fun. And it's a bit nostalgic, it's reminiscent of the past. I remember having street parties when I was small, not far from here, and it sort of has fallen away by the wayside, so it's really good to see it back and to see so many people and young families down at it.
Our son lad ar national day hana. Tá sé tarlaí margar lad ar national day hana tona gyon gala, ach tá sé tarlaí seo ar Shraid Townsend mar seo interface. Idir bóthar na bháil agus bóthar na Shankla, agus Sean trí bblion dún seo dhéanú. De gra John Modéile an na man bóthar na Shankla, ach am léana rim Modéile pobl Brown Square, Finn Square agus an English Presbyteriac, Townsend Presbyterian Church. So hannig muid le céile han ceileí mór dhéanú go dtíreach ar lad ar national day hana.
There should be all events like this every month. If you can see kind of the atmosphere it happens all around.
Yeah, because it brings communities together. There's been classes of school kids from both sides today, and they've all been playing games together, and they've all been feeding the birds together.
Well, this is what it's all about. What we're trying to do here is spread a simple message, and it's only a 4-letter word, and it's called love. This is what we're trying to do.
There are different ways that we can bring people together, and it's in a non-threatening way. I think music is one of those, sports and street parties are definitely one of those. As you can see, people of all ages are engaged in this, and what better way to bring people together than just to have fun?
It's great to see kids mingling and mixing with one another. I think that's how this here is going to benefit a lot of children, and they're the adults of tomorrow.
Just crack, when shit for yourself that, you know, héireadh fáil a péinteala agus héireadh Johnny PC Alinya, just torn shape piece of spray drive, agus sin rud nach fecin tír an bóthar seo ro winning.
As you can see, the focus here is on families, but particularly on small children. So what you're doing is from an early age, you're bringing people together, and that helps to break down prejudices and barriers, and that can only be a really good thing.
Just a while I'm going to more seo níos cutanta. John Modéile gach bliana inis, or the 3 bliana nus, ach ba while I'm going to Daniela, Yanu, go mind while I'm going to file like Daniela, like chocolate kela, or either bohorna shanklugs, bohorna wal, just fun piece of crackerbacky.
Or just anything that gets people together and gets people chatting to each other and enjoying a day out together. It's got to be good for the future, hasn't it?